Today we're checking out the SpeedForm Bullitt style ABS fuel door cover in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. If you're looking to give your Mustang a subtle yet aggressive style upgrade, this fuel door cover is a quick and easy way to achieve that custom Bullitt inspired look. The SpeedForm Bullitt style fuel door cover brings an iconic design element to your Mustang with a bold gloss black finish that instantly enhances your exterior. It's going to deliver that classic muscle car vibe while fitting perfectly with modern Mustang styles. The cover is purely aesthetic, designed to sit right over your existing fuel door without interfering with its operation. This is an inexpensive but effective way to make your Mustang stand out with minimal effort. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this fuel door is lightweight yet strong enough to handle everyday use and exposure to those elements. The gloss black finish adds a nice slick appearance that's going to blend seamlessly with OEM or aftermarket modded styles. Thanks to its high quality construction, it's going to resist cracking, fading, or chipping over time for a long-lasting visual upgrade. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this comes in right around that $50 price range. This makes it an affordable style upgrade that adds a unique, aggressive detail without being too big of an investment. The installation on this is as simple as it gets, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 5 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with a video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
I want to show how easy this was to install. Basically, there's your gas cap cover, and there is that little thing right there. Literally, it is sticking the screwdriver onto the bottom. I have it off right now. But you literally put that in right there, lift it up just a tad, and slide it straight off. To show you how easy it is to slide on, there is guides on top and bottom that you'll put in, line up, and then you'll fill it again, just like that. And now, it's all done. Very simple process. Literally took 3 minutes.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the SpeedForm Bullitt style ABS fuel door cover in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.